Alright, so the other day I get a call from a driver saying he's got no power. He's got a full load on and he's pulling a slight hill and the truck's blowing all kinds of black smoke out of the stacks and he's dropping gears left, right, and center. So I go out on a service call, go have a look, and what do I find? The turbo blew itself apart. So we're going to have a look at that right now. Stay tuned. Lena, you ready?
Okay. Houston, we've had a problem.
Right here what you see is a $4,500 turbocharger that we're going to put on this truck. Now you know why trucking's so expensive. Alrighty, so we're going to get ready to install this turbo here. There.
Traveling tech.
Traveling tech, yes. Can you raise it to see here? Wanted to explain that to people who didn't know.
Yeah.
See here, it's just a little measurement. It's the way we measure things.
Yeah.
Blonde, red.
Yeah, different thicknesses.
Yeah. Jesus, this thing ever a pain in the ass.
Yeah, they're not.
Would have been easier to move that differential pressure tube.
Don't touch anything with the turbo.
Easier said than done, buddy.
Wait till you see that.
I'm all up on this turbo.
Make a look. My turbo.
Alrighty, so now the repairs are all done. First things first, run the truck up to operating temperature. Just let it sit and idle. That way you can check for coolant leaks, check for exhaust leaks, anything like that before you go out for your road test. Last thing you want to do is be sitting on the side of the road after you just replaced the part. Second thing I like to do, go through and just check to see if there's any fault codes stored in the ECM. If there is, where this one here is showing low turbo boost, a fault that probably came from when the turbo had blown apart when I went on the service call initially. Still showing it as active, so I'm going to take it for a run, see if it clears itself out and goes inactive, and then after that, if everything is good, I'm going to clear all the faults and then we'll start from scratch.